Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday freebie, day off for me, which is great. Right, today we are going to be sharing a fabulous free printable. It's part of my Golden Bees mini kit collection. So I have designed this freebie to be matched, to be kind of like used in conjunction with the Golden Bee kit. So I had a giveaway on either Monday or Wednesday, one of the videos in the beginning of the week, and now have closed the giveaway. So on next week we will do, I'll film it today and I will share it next week. So we will pick 3 winners from that giveaway. Okay, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Right, so this is the beauty. This is the freebie, today's freebie. So it's basically a page with 4 different rectangular. I can tell you the measurement of each rectangular. So it's basically, this is an A4, so half of this is an A5, so each rectangular is an A6. In centimeters it's 14 by 10. In inches is 5.5, a bit more, by 4. Okay, so that could be really nice card background. If you chopped it like that, you can create mini notebooks. So if you create like little notebooks and you put this as a cover, you can do some fancy fold, you can do little vintage cards, you can create some more ephemera, you can do anything that you want. So you've got yellow, green, blue and pink. Now, from what I can see as a reflection on my camera, this is coming out as blue, but it's green. So I really don't know what colors you see, but when I look at the camera on the screen, this coming up as blue, but it's green. So it's a very nice olive green. Okay, so as usual guys, how do you get this? As you are aware, probably sick and tired to hear me listen to me talking about it, this will be emailed out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. So as you watch this video, this has gone out already to all the members of my newsletter. I have a newsletter that I send once a week, so you only get 1 email. I haven't got any chance or any time to spam any of you guys. So it's literally 1 email. You get a recap of the video, some crafting news, and on each email there is an attachment, and this is a PDF that you can just simply download from the newsletter. So you don't have to do anything, you just need to wait for Friday until these emails get sent out, and then you just check it and download it and print it. Another thing you can do, in case you missed, of course, if you watch it for the first time you will be missed this freebie, go to my Facebook group, send a request. Once it's accepted, you go to files and you see a list of freebies that I have created and shared in the last 3 years. So it's probably over 100. So you can create for a life, just simply download my free printables. Okay, so very simple instructions, but I just want to end this video to say a big thank you. Normally I will showcase and share 1 comment from you, but today I want to say a big, huge thank you to every single one of you that support my channel. Keep putting likes, thumbs up, send me lovely messages on Instagram and Facebook, send me lovely emails, support me on Ko-Fi. Honestly guys, you are amazing, and I am so blessed and lucky to have you as an audience on my YouTube channel. So honestly, and as I say several times, my YouTube channel is not a how-to channel. It's just a journey of me share the creations with you guys and give you some ideas, and we learn in the process. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go now. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a usual big golden thumbs up, because it really helps. It helps the channel, it helps the video, because you telling YouTube how fabulous I am. Guys, I will put a link somewhere on the screen now of the video that we made in the beginning of the week when I shared how to make a fun fold card which can be used as a page for your journal. using this golden cake kit. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for all the orders and your support, your likes, your comments, your emails. It means the world to me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.